Hey there, cuties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm diving into the world of AI marketing tools. We'll explore the best AI tools that are making waves in 2023 and reshaping the marketing landscape as we know it. Best overall AI marketing tool. We're witnessing a surge in AI adoption as companies scale up and undergo digital transformations. The epicenter of this transformation? Social data. According to our 2023 State of Social Media report, a whopping 97% of business leaders agree that AI and machine learning are game changers for analyzing social media data effectively, supercharging their marketing efforts. Marketers are leveraging AI in ingenious ways, from sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback, to competitive analysis for market domination, and content recommendation engines to boost engagement. AI-driven insights are driving agile marketing strategies. Investing in an all-in-one AI marketing tool can be a game changer. It seamlessly integrates into your tech stack, helping you scale your marketing efforts, consolidate functions, and streamline workflows. 1. Sprout Social. Sprout Social's AI capabilities make it a powerhouse in the marketing world. This all-in-one platform turbocharges business impact through social media. It fosters collaboration among teams, allowing you to engage with your audience more effectively. Sprout Social takes the reins in various marketing functions, from social media and customer care to digital marketing and competitive intelligence. This provides you with invaluable insights for swift decision-making. Use Sprout's AI-powered capabilities for business intelligence, harnessing sentiment analysis for a deeper understanding of consumer behavior, reputation management through early crisis detection, streamlining social media scheduling with AI-powered suggestions, optimizing marketing workflows without manual setup, elevating customer service with chatbots and AI-powered responses, AI marketing tools for copywriting. 2. Jasper. Jasper turbocharges your writing process with generative AI. It offers content generation templates for various marketing content types, from landing pages to emails. With a plethora of fonts, categories, and languages at your disposal, Jasper's intuitive interface helps you generate content at lightning speed. 3. Writer. Writer is your trusty writing assistant. It streamlines collaboration for marketing teams and ensures professional and accurate copy. It also maintains your brand's tone of voice and allows you to build a database of approved terminology. 4. Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO is your go-to for content quality improvement. It analyzes search term SERPs and offers suggestions to optimize your content for SEO. It's a game changer for ranking on search engine results pages. Not everyone's a grammar expert. Thankfully, AI editing tools have your back. 5. Grammarly. Grammarly is your writing companion, supporting platforms like Google Docs, Word, and Gmail. Its generative AI, Grammarly Go, offers context-based writing assistance. Whether you need spelling and grammar suggestions or deeper editing, Grammarly has you covered. 6. Hemingway Editor. Hemingway Editor uses machine learning to identify areas for improvement in your writing, enhancing clarity and conciseness. It also provides readability scores and suggestions for making your content even better. 7. Seventh Sense, an email marketing tool, uses behavior profiling to optimize email campaign timing, improving deliverability and sender scores. It integrates seamlessly with HubSpot and Marketo. 8. Optomove. Optomove offers a unified view of customer behavior and insights, aiding campaign performance, hypersegmentation, A/B testing, and multi-channel tracking. It helps you make data-driven decisions and refine your marketing strategies. 9. Tidio. Tidio, an AI-powered chatbot platform, focuses on conversion rate optimization. Use it to enhance customer interactions on your website, generate leads, and build customer loyalty. 10. Zapier. When it comes to AI-driven automation, Zapier takes the crown. It's the go-to tool for streamlining your processes. Zapier lets you automate those time-consuming tasks and transform text-based inputs into valuable data. This means you can answer simple questions, reduce manual work, and supercharge your business with actionable insights. You can start with the free version, or if you need more firepower, explore Zapier's premium plans for enhanced features. Take a look at some examples of the different Zap automations you can set up in Zapier, such as creating new rows, triggering events, sending emails, creating tasks, and generating views. AI marketing tools offer automation solutions. That's a wrap for today's video on the exciting world of AI marketing tools in 2023. I hope you found these insights valuable. If you're ready to supercharge your marketing efforts, don't hesitate to explore these AI tools. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more tech insights coming your way.